Well, for more, let's bring in our UK correspondent, Bénédicte Paviot. She's following this walkout for us and joins us from near central London's usually bustling Charing Cross rail and underground station near Trafalgar Square. Bénédicte, this is gearing up to be a rather miserable few days for those hoping to get from A to Z on a train where you are.
It's the biggest strike in modern history in over 30 years here in the United Kingdom across all 4 nations, and it's a real double whammy for Londoners because there's also, as if the 40,000 union workers that have walked out today across the railway network in the United Kingdom, you add 10,000 union members who've walked out on the London Underground, or as Londoners call it, the Tube. So real rail misery for many people. Of course, the public being told, do not travel unless it's absolutely necessary. But of course, you've got key workers, you know, whether it's the police, the firefighters, people needing to go to work, people trying to get to medical appointments. How the medical teams are supposed to get there is not clear at all. Of course, now, because of the pandemic, more people working from home, and it's hoped that that will help. So although the roads, I understand, across the country were eerily quiet early this morning, many people have taken to their cars. Indeed, north of Glasgow, I understand there are just no trains. So many people actually trying to work from home. But of course, the knock-on effect. So here the gates are closed, for example, at Charing Cross rail station, and it has the knock-on effect. For example, the Marks and Spencer's looking at their working times, they're closed on every day of the strike. You've got businesses that are battling to survive after 2 years of a pandemic. This is absolutely not what they need. And as for the hospitality sector, we understand that they will lose £540 million across the week, since this is a first day of 3 official day of strikes. But as there are days in between, it's basically rail misery for 6 to 7 days here in the United Kingdom.